ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and today I have another Mane Concept wig. Shout out to Mane Concept for sponsoring this video. This wig is a straight wig with barrel curls at the bottom. She is called Rchm207 Orpheus, and I have her in the color FR6 Strawberry Latte. So here's the care card. She also comes in an FR6 Mocha Latte as well as your basic colors. Now this wig has HD invisible lace, a 4-inch deep lace part, which is pre-plucked. She is skin tone adapting lace, transparent hairline look with the combs and the straps and all of that. So speaking of the combs and the straps and all of that, I'm going to show you what the inside of the cap looks like, and then we'll come back and talk some more. Alright, since you guys got a chance to see what the inside looks like, let me show you what she looks like in the back. I'm just going to throw all the curls in the back. Here it is. This wig is an average head size, meaning I'm 22 inches and it fits me comfortably. I do not have on a wig grip. So if I had a wig grip on, it might be a little bit tight, so you can kind of get an idea from that. I'm really loving the fact that this wig is based in a 6, and I'm just going to get a little bit closer. Having the fact that it's based in a 6, you rarely see 6s, really. I mean, you usually go from the 1B to 2 to 4, and then from the 4 you jump to 27. Well, this is based in a 6. And I really love this color, and I wish more wigs would come out in a 6, so I'm really happy the Mane Concept did that. I just put a little bit of baby hairs in the front, but you can also put some on the side because there's baby hair there. Again, this face framing pink. I really love this face framing pink, and it also has pink underneath. I would love to have the pink a little bit more integrated, but other than that, I really love these barrel curls. And just to give you a tip as far as these barrel curls are concerned, if you brush this wig too much, of course, those curls are going to come out. But you can revive them with hot rollers. That's a trick that Weezy had told me, and I know I mentioned this to you guys before, but no product in the hair, just hot rollers. Wait till they cool, take them out, and you're going to get your beautiful curls back again. Yeah, and as you also know, I am also following the tip from Weezy to wash these synthetic wigs in detergent and fabric softener. No more wasting of my shampoo. It's detergent and fabric softener, and this synthetic wig loves both. So yeah, that's just again another tip from Weezy. And she actually has a video though she explains all of this, so you might want to go check her channel out. As a matter of fact, I'll put the link down in the description so you can go check it out. But again, loving these barrel curls. Love these barrel curls. Love the length of this wig because of the barrel curls. I think if it was this long without the barrel curls, I probably wouldn't like it as much. And I do love this face framing, but you don't have to have the face framing because it does come in the basic colors. 1B2, F1B30, SR1B27, SR1B maroon, and then of course the 2 latte colors I mentioned earlier. Another thing I wanted to do was to share with you guys the upcoming drops that Mane Concept has. They sent me another one of these booklets, and this is 2022 What's New for March. So I want to show you a couple of things I'm excited about. First of all, under their red carpet collection, they have a wig that's coming out called HD Trendy, and her name is Bora. And I like this gray color. There she is right there. She's coming in gray, and I'm very excited about that particular wig. So yeah, Bora looks like something I'd be interested in. Also, they have a couple of shorter wigs that are coming out. I believe it says second week of March, so we're already there. So it's Heidi and Heather. Heidi and Heather on the bottom. And I'm really looking forward to those because, as you guys know, in my wig wish list, I wanted more wigs that were like at my neck, you know, my shoulders or whatever, and so those two fit that bill. And they also have some banged wigs that I'm looking forward to. I kind of like bangs sometimes, and I thought these two were really cute. So this one at the top is my favorite. It's called Melanin Queen collection, and I do like a good banged wig sometimes, so I'm looking forward to seeing that one as well. Now there are a lot of other things in here that I'm not going to show you everything, but I did want you to see some of the things that are coming up in Mane Concept's collection. I'm really excited about seeing some of these new drops, and I'm sure that you will be too. Hopefully I'll be able to bring some of those to you as well. So yeah, I like this. I really do. I just think it's just rare to get the 6, and so I'm really excited about the fact that it's based in a 6. So if you guys are interested in Rchm207 Orpheus, here she is again, I will put the information down in the description section for you so that you can go and check out this wig and possibly purchase it. It's probably available at most retailers as well as beauty supply stores. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And thanks again to Mane Concept for sponsoring this video. And ladies, as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course so are you. See you next time.